I'm going to show you how I make over $13,000 with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. But more importantly, I'm going to show you 5 ways on how you can promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program as a complete beginner. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can literally copy and paste my exact same strategy on how I won a free car with ClickFunnels. Let me show you. Now guys, I just crossed over 100 cars with the ClickFunnels affiliate program, as you can see right here, which basically means that they're gonna buy me my dream car. I can choose whatever I want because I got over 100 members inside the program. Now I'm gonna explain more how this works, but I just wanted to show you that I just crossed this and I'm super excited. But more importantly, I wanna help you guys not only win a dream car, but make over $10,000 per month with this program. Now guys, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to teach you how to build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. Guys, I used to work a 9-to-5 job that I absolutely hated. I was able to start my business in May of 2019. And within 9 months of starting that business, I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job and go all in on my affiliate marketing business. That's what I want to teach you on this channel. So if you're interested in leaving that 9-to-5 job and achieving time and financial freedom, please subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Let's get into it. Now, guys, before I show you the 5 ways to promote ClickFunnels as a brand new affiliate, I just wanted to show you how the software works. Okay, so basically what it is, it's a software that allows you to build funnels, websites very easily. Okay, this is how I've built my business. As you can see here, we've done over 1.26 million in the last 12 months. I've been able to build my whole business around ClickFunnels. Okay, as an affiliate, I like promoting this program because I use this software and I want to help other business owners grow their business. And I even want to help people that don't have a business but want to start a business and not sure how. So that's why I'm promoting this program and helping others do that as well. Now guys, I want to show you how the ClickFunnels affiliate program works and how you can sign up absolutely free without even paying. Check this out. Now guys, if you go to a website called whatsyourdreamcar.com, it's gonna take you to this application right here, okay? Now you can actually promote ClickFunnels if you're not even a user, but obviously I do recommend using the software because it makes it easier to use, but I'll talk about that a little bit later. Let me just show you how the affiliate program works. Basically, you could fill out some basic information here. Once you do that, guys, it's gonna take you to the back office, which I'll show you right now, okay? So as you can see, we've done over $13,000 in the last month. Okay, the cool thing is within this program there's a lot of things that you can promote. Okay, so there's the actual software itself, right? That's kind of the main thing that I promote personally. But you can go ahead and promote other things, right? They have books that you can promote. They have 30-day summits. This one's really cool. This is a $100 program that you actually get 100% commissions for, okay? So this is pretty cool to promote. It's called the One Funnel Away Challenge. Very helpful, okay? So one of the biggest things I like promoting are the Traffic Secrets books or any of the books, because what happens is you send people to this funnel. Okay, so let's just say you send somebody here and you send them to this book. Now the cool thing is, okay, they buy the book, you only make $1, but within this process they actually go and promote other things. Okay, so there's like an audio book, and then there's a 2-day event and all these other things, right? So you can literally make over $300 just by selling a book, okay? And they do everything for you. Very cool. I love this program. But let me show you the 5 ways that you can start promoting it as an affiliate and as a complete beginner. Now guys, as a reminder, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you the best way to promote this program and how you can literally copy and paste my exact same strategy. Okay guys, so method number 1 is by simply using YouTube. I love YouTube, guys, because people are going to YouTube to find a solution to their problem. Now, the cool thing about YouTube is it's absolutely free to do. You just have to go and create videos. Now, let me show you what I would do if I was promoting ClickFunnels on YouTube, even as a complete beginner. Now guys, I went to youtube.com and I'm gonna actually type in ClickFunnels. Now I wanna show you this because a lot of people think that ClickFunnels is saturated and you can't promote it anymore. Guys, that's a false belief. I'm gonna prove that to you right now, okay? So as you can see right here, if I type in ClickFunnels, I'm actually using a tool called Keywords Everywhere, okay? This tells me how many searches per month people are searching this online, okay? So if I type in ClickFunnels, you can see right here, over 100,000 people are searching this per month. That's huge, guys, because that means there's millions of people per year searching this keyword, okay? That being said, how can we promote the software using YouTube, okay? So if you think about that, people are gonna go to YouTube and type in ClickFunnels tutorial for beginners. So you can see all these people are making these tutorials on how to use the software, okay? So what you can do, you can go and start learning how to use it yourself and then teaching people how to do the same, okay? Now, how do we actually make money with this, okay? So if we go to the actual, let's just say one of these tutorials, he's gonna have a link inside his YouTube description, right? So you can see right here, he's got a link to the 14-day trial, okay? Which is one of the main things that people promote to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program. You can do tutorials on how to use ClickFunnels, how to use the software. The cool thing is you can actually go to YouTube, right? Type in ClickFunnels space, and you can see all the things people are searching for, right? So you can even do ClickFunnels versus Shopify, ClickFunnels alternatives, ClickFunnels affiliate marketing. These are all things that you can create videos. This is huge, guys, because YouTube is a search engine and people are searching things online on how to solve their problem, okay? Now, what I just showed you is basically a product-based review YouTube video, okay? Another way you can promote it on YouTube is a problem-based, okay? So this is different, okay? So let's just say you're a lawyer or a chiropractor and you wanna get more leads, you wanna get more traffic to your business, but you have no idea how, right? So you might go to YouTube and type in something like, how to get more leads for my business, okay? This is a problem-based review because they have no idea how to get more leads. So what you do is you go and create videos on how to get more leads. So then you say, this is ClickFunnels, where it's gonna allow you to build pages. And then from there, you can go ahead and send them to the software so they can build pages and get more leads for their business, okay? I love this strategy, guys, because YouTube is so powerful. If you kind of do your research on what people are searching for, what's their intent behind what they're searching for, you're gonna actually get a ton of people to click on your links, okay? So YouTube is one of my favorite ways to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program. All right, guys, so method number 2 on how to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program is by simply using TikTok or Instagram Reels. Honestly, any type of short form videos, okay? But I'm gonna kind of show you TikTok and then how we can use this to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Now, the cool thing about TikTok is these are short form videos, meaning you can make these videos in literally 7 to 12 seconds. And you can start promoting the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Now, I'm just gonna show you an example of what I would do if I was promoting this program, okay? So you have to stop people in their tracks on TikTok because you gotta think about it. They're scrolling and then you're gonna want them to stop and then watch your video and click on your link, okay? So how do we do that, right? We go and create these simple 7 to 20 second videos. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna figure out what problem does this person want to solve, okay? So if we go back to the affiliate program, we're gonna go ahead and pick a product that we wanna sell, okay? So let's just say we wanna sell the one funnel away, okay? I wanna figure out what does this problem solve and how can this help somebody on TikTok, okay? So let's just read the headline here. We'll go ahead and create something on TikTok. How about step-by-step how to set up your first funnel for just $100, okay? So that could be something that you can talk about on your TikTok. So for example, we go to TikTok, we get our phone out and we say, hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to build your first funnel step-by-step. And we're gonna hold your hand on how to do that. How would you like to learn? Click the link in the bio, right? So then we go and create a ton of these TikTok videos, very simple videos. And from there, we're gonna go ahead and grab this link from the ClickFunnels affiliate program right here. We're gonna simply add this on our TikTok bio, okay? So you're gonna go ahead and tell people, go click the link in the bio, and this is all gonna lead to this link right here, okay? Now you can literally take these videos and add them to Instagram Reels and even YouTube Shorts, okay? So that is just something you can do to even get more traffic to your affiliate links. Now guys, I would personally take advantage of TikTok right now because there's so many organic views when you post videos on TikTok. Like I've seen some of my students post and they've never posted a video, they have 0 followers and the first video gets thousands of views, okay? This is how powerful the platform is. And the reason is because TikTok is a brand new platform and they want to get more users on their platform. So they're going to give new users more views, okay? This is what happens when a new platform tends to release. All right, guys, so the third way to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program is actually a little known secret that I've mentioned a few times in my videos, but it still works till this day. And that's by creating a mini course on Udemy. Let me show you how. Now, guys, if you go to udemy.com, it's essentially a website where people go and add online courses, okay? Now, this is really cool, okay? So if people go to Udemy and type in, ClickFunnels, there's gonna be courses on how to use ClickFunnels, okay? Now you can see there's a ton of courses on here, but I wanna show you some results that have helped me a ton, okay? So you can see right here, this is actually my course here, okay? Master ClickFunnels in 2021. I actually got to update that to 2022. Nevertheless, it's still getting a ton of exposure, okay? So I'll even show you guys, this is the back office here. Master ClickFunnels, you can see over 6,800 students have enrolled, okay? So what I do, guys, is I actually had this for free for a while where I was getting a ton of people, because what I did was in the course itself, I would have the ClickFunnels link linked in the back office. Now this is powerful because people are getting free value in this course, and because of that, they're gonna go ahead and click on your links and buy your affiliate stuff. Now, guys, if I go and click inside of here, you can see that this is a very simple thing that you can do, okay? You can literally go and just review simple things of how to use the program itself, okay? You gotta understand, people are brand new to using these softwares and they have no idea how to use them. So you can go and show people, how to navigate the dashboard, how to sign into your account, how to become an affiliate, right? You can create these simple things inside of this Udemy course. Because of that, you're gonna go ahead and build your brand. You're gonna go ahead and build that know, like, and trust factor with your audience, and people are gonna enroll in your course. But more importantly, you're gonna get people to your affiliate links. Now, I don't really care about the money we've made. We haven't done really much with as far as revenue, as you can see here. What I'm worried about is I want people to get free value in this course. And because of that, they're gonna click on my affiliate links with the ClickFunnels affiliate program. All right, guys, so method number 4 is one of my favorite ways to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program, and that's by giving away a free book, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you how you can literally copy and paste my exact book and how you can use it for yourself. But let me show you what I'm doing to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program by giving away a free book. Alrighty, guys, so this is the funnel that I use to give the free book. Now, I don't just give a free book. What I do is I actually get people to this page where I can then collect an email address and then send people to this free book, okay? Now, guys, within this free book, I actually show people the 7 steps on how to become a super affiliate and leave their 9-to-5 job, okay? But more importantly, guys, all right, if we scroll down in this book, there's actually affiliate links within this whole book. Now, we actually promote over 13 affiliate programs within this book, but right here you can see ClickFunnels affiliate program. I'm going to the affiliate links to the ClickFunnels affiliate program, okay, guys? So within this book, I'm giving people value, but I'm also giving people an opportunity to click on my links, okay? This is the cool thing about having something like a book, because then you can give people free thing where you can build that trust, you can build that brand, but more importantly, guys, you can get people to your links. Now, the most important thing about this is I actually go and collect this email address first, okay? I don't just send people to my book. I wanna get people to my email list where I can go and remarket to them later, okay? Now, here's the cool thing about this, guys. I actually give my students full access to this funnel and this book so they can use it as their own. And the best part about it, okay, this is the cool thing, I actually let you copy this book as your own and let you put your affiliate links within this, okay? Now, guys, if you're interested in copying this exact same funnel, exact same book, and use it as your own, then guys, I wanna invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where not only I'm gonna show you how to set this up, but I'm gonna show you how you can literally copy and paste my exact same business so you can use as your own. Now, I'm gonna leave this link down below, guys, and let me show you what you're gonna get with the 3-day challenge. Now, guys, I'm inside the back office, and as you can see on day number 2, I actually give you guys everything you need to build this out for yourself, okay? So if I go down, you can actually see I give you the book right here. Okay, so I give you the book, I give you the funnel, all within this challenge right here. And I even show you how to put this together so you can start making money with this affiliate program. And again, guys, I don't just make money with this affiliate program, I make money with multiple affiliate programs, and that's what I teach. It's called the affiliate stacking ecosystem, where we not only make money with one program, we make money with multiple programs. So guys, if you are interested in that, I'm gonna leave a link to that down below. Now guys, the fifth way to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program is by using YouTube ads. Now what I'm doing personally is I'm actually running YouTube discovery ads. Now guys, if you've never heard of YouTube discovery ads, it's basically kind of like ads at the top here, okay? So if I type in something like ClickFunnels, you can literally have a video at the top of YouTube, okay? So this is very powerful because now you don't have to worry about making a video and making sure it's at the top. You can literally pay to be at the top, okay? So if I type in something like ClickFunnels or even ClickFunnels tutorial, they'll typically be an ad here at the top, okay? Now guys, basically with these YouTube discovery ads, what I'm doing is I'm creating the organic YouTube videos and then I'm showing them at the top of YouTube, okay? So the cool thing about ads is you don't have to worry about SEO or getting your videos at the top. You can literally just pay and get your videos at the top literally overnight. Now guys, if you want a more in-depth tutorial on how I use YouTube discovery ads to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program or how to promote any affiliate program in general, then I do have a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to do this. I don't want to teach you right now in this video because it's already gone kind of long. So I want to show you guys in that tutorial, which I've already created, and we'll leave a link to that inside of this video. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video on the 5 ways on how to promote the ClickFunnels affiliate program. Again, guys, my favorite way is by promoting a book and a funnel where you can build your email list and provide value with people. If you want to learn how you can do that, then I want to invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where I'm going to give you the assets, I'm going to give you the book to use as your own. So guys, I'm going to leave a link to that in the YouTube description. That being said, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.